Here are my Dachshund puppies. They're about 6 months old now. The light colored one is Adam, and the dark colored one is Pip. The first and the fifth born from Ashley. That's the mom. I couldn't bear to part with the two puppies, so I didn't sell them to my friend. Very affectionate puppies. Very playful. Very malikot. And really super healthy. Yeah, just to update you on what they're doing and how they are now. From the last you saw them when they were puppies and newborn. So here they are, my Dachshund puppies. They are at home. This is where they play. They make poo-poo. They run and chase birds and whatnot. Pip is the most matakaw puppy I've ever seen. Adam is the most affectionate, and of course Mommy Ashley is the most makulit. So here are my puppies at 6 months and counting. Bye, puppy.